In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to accept or reject tracked changes in InCopy. If you collaborate on stories in Adobe InCopy, tracked changes are your best friend for reviewing edits and finalizing text with confidence. Before we begin, make sure you're looking at your story in either Galley View or Story View. Tracked changes won't appear in Layout View, so if you don't see any markup, switch to one of those text-focused views. Also, confirm that tracking is enabled and that the story actually contains tracked edits. If the Track Changes toolbar isn't visible, go to the Window menu, choose Track Changes, and keep that toolbar handy throughout your review. With your story open, place your cursor anywhere in the text. You don't need to hunt for the first edit manually. On the Track Changes toolbar, click Next Change. InCopy will jump straight to the first tracked edit and highlight it clearly, whether it's an insertion, a deletion, or a modified section. This focused view ensures you're always looking at exactly what needs your attention. When you're ready to keep an edit, click Accept Change on the toolbar while that change is highlighted. The edit immediately becomes a normal part of your story, and the markup disappears, leaving clean text behind. Accepting a deletion removes the text as the final decision, and accepting an insertion keeps the added words in place. This helps you commit to the edits you agree with and tidy up the document as you go. If you decide an edit isn't right for the story, click Reject Change. InCopy will restore the original text and remove the tracked edit indicators, so the document reflects the pre-edit wording. Rejecting is perfect for preserving your intended tone or maintaining accuracy when a suggested change doesn't fit. Continue reviewing by using the Next Change and Previous Change buttons to move through edits one at a time. This step-by-step approach helps you stay organized and avoid skipping anything important. Take your time with each change and make decisions based on context around the edit. If you're working in a longer document, it's a good habit to save periodically so your accepted and rejected choices are captured as you progress. That's all you need to accept or reject tracked changes in InCopy using the Track Changes toolbar. With the right view, the toolbar visible, and a steady pace through Next and Previous, you can confidently finalize your story and deliver a clean, polished result.